Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: level 10, 3,000 coins, and a mobility loadout. Once those are set, head straight to the North Hub and lock your spawn. You want to conserve time, so activate Sprint Boost and deploy the grappling hook as you move. Make sure to collect 2 supply crates en route. They contain necessary ammo and a key fragment. These first steps set the pace and ensure you won't be denied access later. Speed and preparation matter here. Once inside the gated corridor, assemble 3 key fragments in the panel. The order matters because the mechanism checks sequence. While the sequence runs, neutralize patrol drones quietly. Loud fights trigger reinforcements, which block the shotgun spawn. Make careful use of cover and time takedowns to conserve health and ammo. When you reach the vault door, input the code you copied from the North Hub terminal earlier. This opens the inner cache, where the Gatekeeper shotgun will spawn under a green. You approach the green holo pedestal and claim the Gatekeeper shotgun directly. You must press and hold the interact key for the full 3 seconds. Once picked up, immediately inspect stats and attach a 2x sight and extended magazine to optimize performance. If the shotgun does not appear, don't panic. Respawn at the nearest checkpoint and return quickly, or check inventory overflow slot 0 for auto-stored items. If that fails, restart the run. Dropped spawns clear after resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.